Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to make group on Snapchat. So in order to make group on Snapchat, first thing first, update your application and log in into your Snapchat account. So once you're logged into your Snapchat account, it's going to direct you to the home page. So the home page is going to look something like this. So in order to create a group, you'll need to go to the chat icon, and after that it's going to take you to the chat page. Here you'll need to go ahead and tap the blue circle icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and in order to create a group, you'll need to select the user that's already on your friend list. Apart from that, if the user is not on your friend list, then he or she will not be added. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and select new group. After that, you can add up to 200 members at one particular time. So now you can type in the contact to whom you actually want to add, and after that you can just go ahead and add and once you're done, click on chat with group. As soon as you've done that, if the particular user is not added to your friend list, then he or she will not be added, and it will show a pop-up stating that the user is not on your friend list and whatsoever. You'll be able to see that the group has been created, and now you can chat with a multiple user at one particular time. So in this way you can make group on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.